Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can add your Facebook leads into iContact application automatically. So guys, if you're running ads on Facebook, this automation is for you. And here, whenever you are going to generate a lead through Facebook lead ad form, the same lead will be added into iContact application, which is an email marketing tool automatically. So you do not have to manually copy the data from Facebook and you do not have to manually add it into your marketing tools. So it will save your time and improve your productivity. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. So we are setting up this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link in the description. And after that, you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. From here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the workflow of the automation. And here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as Facebook leads to iContact. Okay. And after giving the name like this, just click on create and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So we can set up the automation with the help of these two things. So the trigger here is that event which is going to start this workflow. So it is written here when this happens. That means when a trigger occurs, action is going to perform any action in another application. Okay, so action is the response towards the trigger. So here in our use case, guys, collection of a lead from Facebook lead at form is the trigger event for us. And the action would be to add the same lead into iContact. That will be the action. So here you have to search for Facebook lead ad first. Here is Facebook lead ads. And the trigger event would be new lead instant. Okay. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so I have already logged in Facebook, so it just got connected. It might bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. Okay, so we are now connected and here it is asking for the page's name on which you are running the Facebook lead ad and the lead generation form's name. So guys, this is my Facebook page named as Pabbly Tech and I'm running a lead ad on this page, and I have attached a Facebook lead ad form also on the same ad. So this is Facebook lead ad testing tool, guys. Okay, and here you can read here. This is the page's name and here is the form attached on this page. So this is a demo form I have created for a school admission inquiry for generating leads for any school. Okay, for example. So you can see the preview of this lead generation form here. This is the preview. Okay. Now what we are going to do, first of all, I'm going to select the page's name from this given list. So name of my page is Pabbly Tech. All right. Then it will show you the list of lead generation forms. And from this list, I'm going to select this form, inquiry form for school admission. Okay. Now, after selecting both of these things, you can click on save and send test request button and it will start showing waiting for the response. Here you can see. This means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to manually create a test lead with the help of lead ad testing tool. Okay, so you can reach the lead ad testing tool by clicking on this help text. Okay, written in blue. It is the link and it will redirect to the Facebook lead ad testing page. And from here you can open the preview of your lead generation form and create a test lead manually. Let me create a test lead. Name of my lead is test lead only. This is the email address, let's say. You can enter any demo phone number. Let's say the class is 10th. Okay. Now I'm going to click on next, then submit, and a test lead is generated here. Okay. You can read here, your test lead has been sent. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this test lead. So here you can see guys, in the response we got the data of the test lead captured like this. Okay. Now what we want to add this lead as a contact in iContact application. Okay. So to send this data as contact in iContact, you have to use this actions tab, and here search for iContact application. Here it is. And the action event would be create a contact. So click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the application ID, API password, username, and API URL of iContact. So you'll find these things from this integration section of iContact. Okay. So you can reach there from the iContact's applications dashboard. Let me open it. So this is my iContact application. From here, from this profile icon, you have to click on settings and billings option. Alright, and from this page, when you scroll down, you will find this iContact integrations option. Click on it. And from here, you can view the details of already existing API that you have created, or you can click on this create button to create a custom API integration. So let me show you by creating a custom API. Clicking on create here, and here you will see the application ID first. Okay, and here you can give a name to this API integration that you are creating. So first of all, let me just copy this application ID here, and you have to paste it here. Similarly, you will find the API password like this. Just copy it, paste it here. For the username, this is the username, paste it here. And the API URL finally, let's see where it is. Here is API URL, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and click on save, and you will be connected with iContact like this. So we are now connected, and now you can go back and save the changes or close this window, whatever you want. Okay. And here it is asking for the email address or the first name and the last name of the contact that you want to create. So guys, I'm going to use this data, this test data of the test lead, and I'm going to map this data here to create a contact in iContact. But guys, here you can see it is asking for the first name and the last name separately, but we have this data, and in this data we have this first name and the last name together. So we can separate this first name and the last name using a feature of Pabbly Connect, which is called text formatter. So to use text formatter, you just have to click here on this plus icon in between the steps, and another action step will open up here. And from here you can search for text formatter. Here it is. And the action event would be split text. Okay, because we want to split the first name and the last name. Now click on connect here. And here it is asking which text you want to split. So I'm going to map this name label I have received here in this step. So to map this name label, just click here, and from this first step, map this name. Okay. And I want to separate the first name and the last name. So the separator is the space between these two things. Okay. So you have to mention the separator from which point you want to separate the data. So I want to separate the data from the space in between. So to put space as the separator here, you just have to copy this format. Okay, and you have to paste it here. Right? And now it is asking which segment you want to separate out. So I want both of these two things. So I'm going to select all here, all option here. Then click on save and send test request button. And here you can see we got this result 0 label in which we have the first name, and in this result 1 label we have the last name. Okay. Now we can map this data here. Now when you are going to click here, you can see it is not showing up the previous steps because we have added one more step here. Now we to get the data, you have to refresh this connection with iContact. For that, just click on connected button one more time, and from here keep this existing connection option selected and click on save one more time, and your connection will be refreshed. Right? Now when you click here on in any field, the previous steps will appear here in the drop down. And from this first step, when you click here, you will see all the test data. And from here, you can map the email label like this. Okay. Similarly, for the first name, use this second text formatter step and map the result 0 label for the first name. For the last name, use this result 1 label. Okay. So if you have all the things, you can map all the things. These are not compulsory fields, so I'm leaving these things blank. Postal code is a compulsory field here, but we did not have received the postal code from the Facebook lead ad form. So to avoid this value, you can just place skip here in the double curly braces, just like it is written here. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so you can skip this field as well. Now you can check your connection with iContact by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and a new contact will be added here in the contact section of iContact. Okay, so this is the contact section you can see, and we have 2 contacts here. Let us check our connection. I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request button here, and let's see if we got a new contact in iContact. So this is the response we have received, and a new contact ID is created. Let's see. Let me refresh this page. All right, and let me open all statuses. And here you can see, guys, we got a new contact added with the name as test lead. Okay, so this is the same address, this is the same name, this is the same contact that got created here as we have mapped the data here in this step. Okay, and this is the same contact we got from Facebook lead ad. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't even have to touch this workflow. After that, it is going to work automatically. So in real time, whenever you are going to capture any lead from your Facebook lead ad form, you will see the contacts getting created here automatically, and the workflow will run in the background. All right. And you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.